You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names and more confusing names from, cycling. And the Tour de France winner of this year's 2022 Tour de France, Jonas Vingegaard. Vingegaard is how you say it in Danish. Jonas Vingegaard is how you pronounce it. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. Thanks for it, and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.